All right, guys, working on a Jeep TJ, basically all years of the TJ. So I have a super annoying door rattle. The camera's not catching it, but every time I hit a bump, something's rattling there. I did figure it out, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so I took everything off here, and this is the window crank. This just sits in here. So I took this out too, because I was going around and I was hitting the door and I had my head in there and I was like pushing all these, holding everything, and the rattle was there. So I come to the conclusion it is this thing that's rattling on the inside. I'm guessing it's dry or something. See, watch. And then when it sits on the door, it just like echoes like crazy. So choice number one, you could replace this, but this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I got a drill bit. I got some drill bits and a drill. And what I'm gonna do is I am gonna drill a tiny hole in this. I'm gonna risk it, but I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna grab a grease gun and I'm gonna fill it with grease. I think that will make the rattle go away. So I'm very gently, carefully, I haven't really fully decided where to make the hole, but I'm thinking, okay, let me think about it. Okay, so I did drill some holes. So first I tried one there, which doesn't really lead to anything. There's like a plastic thing that spins, it looks like, but it didn't damage anything. And I mean, I could put grease in there. The second one I tried over here, that didn't do anything. Can't even get anywhere. And then I made one there, and that one seems good. It's like when I spin this, I can see the cables moving around. So I'm gonna fill it there, and I'm gonna fill it there with some grease. Let's see if that makes the rattle go away. And it's clearly there, listen to it. Okay, I'm gonna grease it up. I'm gonna put lots in there. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, that totally worked. Okay, so here's my grease gun. See, I got an end piece on it. You attach it to there. This is an end piece for like U-joint grease nipples. See, it looks like that. So that was super good. So check it out. I ended up squirting it into this hole, the one I said I didn't think went anywhere. And I kept filling it, and look, it started coming out that hole. This one, see? It came right out, like a whole bunch of it came out. And then it even started coming out this hole too. So I mean, this thing's packed with grease. I think I'm gonna spin it a few times, back and forth, and then I'm gonna put in some more grease. And I bet you, how can it rattle if it's full of grease, right? Okay, I'm gonna try it. All right, so I did it some more, and it even started coming out right here on the side, see? So I'm gonna say, if you're gonna do this, I would just drill this one hole here, none of the other two. That way it'll keep coming out till it probably comes out over here. But I hit it. I'm trying not to get dirty here. There's no rattle anymore. It's completely gone. Okay, I'm gonna put this back together and we're gonna test it. Okay guys, believe it or not, the rattle is completely 100% gone. That was the 99% of the rattle. There was one other spot I'm just gonna show you, which I actually did this before I even noticed it was there, because I wasn't even gonna make a video about it. But this rod here, see this one? Sorry for the wind, guys. It was hitting this kind of too sometimes. So all I did is I took some vacuum hose, I cut a piece about that long, and I cut a slit down side of it. See, and I just wrapped it around, and that completely got rid of that rattle. And the main rattle was this thing. And there honestly is nothing now. All right, so I'm gonna put all this back together, guys. And remember, this is an entire series of restoring a Jeep TJ, guys, that looks like this, guys. And trust me, it looked like a piece of crap when I got it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, check out the series up here.